How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
My grandmother told me a secret to grow extra long hair, and I can't believe it. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you a secret to grow extra long hair. You can't believe that now, but you can grow hair more than 7 inches in just few weeks. All we need is 2 tablespoons of black cumin seeds. Put it in a mixer jar and mix it. Then add 1/2 cup of carrot juice. Carrot juice will make your hair stronger and will straighten your hair roots. Black cumin seeds improves your scalp health. It's very good for hair loss and hair growth. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Apply it on your scalp for 1 hour, then wash it with shampoo. For best results, use it 3 times a week. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.